change in one is a change in millions.
When you smile, I smile.
When you laugh, I laugh.
When you hurt, I feel it.
When you shut down, my heart tightens too.
Because we are connected.
More than we realize.
More than we ever admit.
When you do the inner work, your habits shift. Your behaviors transform.
And your life begins to open in ways that you've never seen before.
Your change becomes a quiet ripple, a light that touches others without even trying. A transformation that begins with one breath and spreads far beyond you. This is what World Meditation Day offers.
Every background.
Every story.
Every heart.
To heal ourselves and uplift each other.
A change in one is a change in millions. Join us December 21st for World Meditation Day with online meditation events.